Well, hey guys, what's going on? Les here. We just got to Arrowhead Lake. So welcome to the video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that little bell notification so that way you know when I enter a new video. So come on in. All right, so this is going to be our first impression. How cute. Cute. They have a little entryway. Love it. Benches. They have like stuff behind. This is the lights, how dim it is. Here's bedroom number 1. Cute. 2 beds. Bedroom number 2. Oh wow, looks so nice and modern. Here's a restroom. Okay. This is open, spacious living room. Look at this kitchen. Oh wow, did we leave the door open at the back? Cool, a little patio deck area. We could chill out here tonight, have some drinks. Kitchen is huge. Look at this place. This is the loft. Cool. Kids can play up here. Here's another restroom. Cool. Room number 3. And this is another room here for the kids. We got like 4 bunk beds or 4 beds here. Wow, awesome. Made some ranchadas here. I mixed some of this and some Dr. Pepper. I don't know how it's gonna taste because I didn't have any whiskey. I could have brought the whiskey, but I didn't. But whatever. I brought a bunch of liquor, so let's try this out.
I did too.
You brought seltzers.
Raider.
Here. Where's Lefty?
That guy.
Here, babe. Here, Sal. Where's Lefty?
He's going to the.
Oh.
He's sleeping already. So.
Get away from her.
All you guys need to use the restroom all the time.
Oh yeah, take
Okay. Okay, ready? Come on, Mike. Grab yours.
Oh yeah.
1, in and out. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Taste it, Sal.
Cheers.
Taste
Happy
it.
birthday, Ian.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Oh my
Ian.
god, it's so delicious. It's actually pretty good.
Oh. What do you mean? That's good.
You know, it reminds you of my mom's chocolate
tastes like the-
chocolate coffee.
That's gross. It's like Christmas.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ian. Happy birthday to you. Don't blow it like mama.
You get a close up of the mustache? Dang.
And I got
Got it? Are you holding it, baby? Hold it. You gotta put one hand here and give me your other hand. Give me the other hand. Hold down here.
Ruger.
Okay. I think yours is good.
What's up, guys? It is Saturday. We're headed to the lake. Cheers. We got the crew. We got Lillian and Ian back there. Tops off. And it's a beautiful day. It's not too hot. It's about, what, 74 degrees or something like that. But it's supposed to go up to 80s. We're going to hang out at the lake. Possibly rent a boat. We'll see how the day goes. But yeah, should be an exciting day. See you at the lake. Alright, here's our little setup. We're in front of the water. We have a little jungle gym here. Might rent some boats later. Sissy's hooking up the tent. We got our tent. Got my floaty. That's big, huh? That's what she said. Happy birthday, Ian. How old are you?
15.
Nice.
It's time to jump in this water park. It's about 75 degrees. We are chilling with the boy. Happy birthday, boy.
Thank you.
Let's go freaking jump on that thing right there. You ready?
Yeah.
Fucking water's cold. My thin shriveled. Oh shit. Ready? Let's hold it. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay. Yeah! Ed, you got this. Yeah! Yeah, it's a long time. Yeah. Come on, Lazelle's gonna try to jump across this. Oh shit! Go Ian, you got this, try it. What? You jumped way too far. This shit's fucking slippery, man.
Did they say anything about jumping off?
Yeah, no, you can do it, man. Woohoo! Fucking go! Oh my god, it sucks. Yeah. Let's go. Woo! All right, here we go. This is how it looks from the top. Oh. My freaking shorts came off. Oh, hell no. Alright, so having to film on the iPhone because I think the GoPro accidentally got water damage. I don't know if the button got pushed in and all of a sudden doesn't work, but we are back from the boats off-roading and now we are chilling at home. We are going to get dinner ready. It's a beautiful day. It's probably about 80 out, but if you're under shade, you got the light cool breeze. We're chilling up on the patio. We're about to cook up some of this good old chicken, and then there is we went to this aquarium and we got this stuff. We purchased some fish from the aquarium. It's supposed to be a fish that is supposed to be in your aquarium, but
Yeah, we got some oh fuck, why is he bleeding? Why is he bleeding like that?
What is that? Yeah, look at that.
Oh my god, he's
Oh
bleeding.
my god, that's gross.
Is it supposed to be like that?
It's a
I don't
fish.
know. What kind of fish is that?
Tilapia?
Oh,
And we got some veggies over there.
is that the one you got from the lake, Letty?
Yeah.
Damn. It's bleeding?
Yeah, I was just wiping him
Is that how you cut the guts out, Letty?
I don't know. I didn't do it. It was
Oh, is there lemon and stuff in there already? Oh, you're doing it now.
I'm doing it.
Oh,
I'm doing it.
I'm doing it. Oh, sorry, she just came from the Philippines. All right, so here is the finished product. They already tore up the fish. Poor fish. You know, it tastes fishy. Chicken looked good. Some veggies. Some rice. Some good old salad. How's it looking, Les?
Looks good.
Sun is setting.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. I like that little bowl plate. Brazil. Poor Madison's all hungry. What, Les? What's wrong?
I don't know about the fish part.
Why?
Because I was looking at, remember when it was bleeding guts?
So now it's scaring you or what?
Yeah.
Hey, why is there a thing shaking right there?
What?
Oh, it's his tail.
There's a dog right here.
Final day. This place is pretty cool. All Alexa out. Oh shit, big dog. Go inside. Go, get inside.